In front of me is iPad mini, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Voice Memos app and tapping on Continue. Then select whatever you want to in Location pop-up. And to start recording, use this red button at the bottom left corner. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same left button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button. You can even skip it 15 seconds each way. When you finished, hit done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to before that, you can change its title right away by tapping on New Recording at the top and typing in whatever you want to. You can also click on this icon over here of 3 sliders at the top right corner to manage those options. This one of a chat bubble to transcribe to audio, and this little one to edit it right away. If you decided to make some changes, hit apply at the bottom right corner or cancel at the top left one. Finally select done, and as you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it and use play button. To rename it, hold it, and then edit its name. To delete it though, use bin icon at the top and select OK in the pop-up. If you want to access this recording again, click on this icon at the top left corner, hit recently deleted and restore it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!